friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to paint on diyas with acrylic paint. So wishing a very happy Diwali and hope you have a nice day, and watch my video till end and shout out coming at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Thank you. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed my video. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and we reached 6k subscribers on our channel, and thank you for your love and support, and our next target is 7k, so please help me reach 7k subscribers. So shout out coming out next. So this video shout out goes to Jahnavi versus. So if you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is like this video and subscribe to my channel and comment down below done when you're done. So see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.